An automatic single-head screw capping machine is a piece of equipment designed to efficiently and accurately apply screw caps to bottles or containers. It is commonly used in various industries, including food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and chemical manufacturing. Key features: 1. Single capping head. The machine typically features a single capping head that rotates to apply the cap onto the bottle. 2. Conveyor belt. A conveyor belt transports bottles or containers into the machine and positions them under the capping head. 3. Cap hopper. A hopper holds the caps and feeds them to the capping head. 4. Torque control. The machine often includes torque control mechanisms to ensure consistent and accurate cap tightening. 5. Bottle handling. Some models may include features for automatic bottle handling, such as in feed and outfeed systems. Working principle: 1. Bottle feeding. Bottles are placed on the conveyor belt and transported towards the capping head. 2. Cap feeding. Caps are fed from the hopper to the capping head. 3. Capping process. The capping head rotates and applies the cap onto the bottle, ensuring proper torque. 4. Bottle ejection. Once the cap is applied, the bottle is ejected from the machine.